Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for Southern style fried cabbage with sausage and shrimp. Alright, let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have a green cabbage already chopped. I'll be using some shrimp, it's already seasoned, some smoked sausage. I have some onions, bell peppers, garlic. For the seasoning, I have some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, paprika, mushroom seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, and I'll be using some apple cider vinegar. So here I have some large shrimp, it's already washed, and I'll be seasoning it with some Old Bay complete seasoning, black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. Add that to the shrimp, mix well, and set aside. To a preheated pot, I will add my sausage, allow the sausage to brown. Once it is brown on both sides, remove and set aside. In the same pot, I'll be cooking my shrimp. You want to cook these for about 2 minutes, 1 minute per side. Once it is brown, you want to just remove and set aside. Here to the same pot, I added some bacon fat, and if you don't have bacon fat, you can use butter and a little bit of oil. So here I added my aromatics. I will give it a good mix and allow it to go for about a minute or two. Next, I will come in with my cabbage, and once that is added, I will just cover it and allow it to wilt a bit before I move on to the next step. Next, we will add our seasoning and give this a real good toss. Once it is tossed well, we will come in with that apple cider vinegar. We will cover this and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until it is nice and tender. You can cook it to your desired texture. If you want it, like crunchy, you can cook it that way. If you want it cook down some more, you can cook it that way. So yeah, we'll cover this and allow it to go until it reaches our desired texture. After about 30 minutes, this is now done. I will now add my sausage and the shrimp, give it a real good toss, and that's basically it. This is quick, easy, and simple, and you can serve it as a complete meal. You can add some rice or some mashed potatoes, and like I said, you can enjoy this. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of Southern style fried cabbage with sausage and shrimp. I did pair it with some brown rice, and it was chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.